Good morning, folks. It's Tuesday, the 18th of February, and we're just going to have a look at these stock indices and see what's going on. We're having a bit of a correction going on at the moment. This is a chart of the Dow Jones. We'll have a look at some of the others in a second. And you can see we made the high. We were closed yesterday, of course. The futures market was still open, but the cash market was closed, so that's not open for another 3 hours or so, 2.5 hours. So you can see what we've done. We've made it looks like it wants to complete an ABCD down to this area, and it's also done another little ABCD right in here at 1.27, form a little butterfly pattern. We're at the 50% retracement off this swing low here that we made on the 10th of January, 10th of Feb. This is a 60-minute chart. This is a moment of truth, folks. If we look at this ABCD pattern, this point B now, it becomes quite important simply because we've made this lower high up here. So we've got the A, B, C, D, and now we've taken out this low. So because we've taken out this low, this becomes then more significant because this low is what's defining the current trend higher, isn't it? Because now we've broken the sequence of higher highs and higher lows because we've made a lower high. Now here we've just made a lower low. So for this to be bullish, we need to get back above this 29,280 first. And then if this is going to be more bullish, we need to get back above this 135 pattern, take out 0.5 at least, for this 135. If it can do that, that takes out the 786 of the whole swing, which is this. That'll go back above the set button, and that'll take out the 0.5 of the pattern. And that suggests that at least we're going to get an ABCD to the upside. That would come in round about 29,600. But before it can even look to be like that, we've got to get back above this blue line, this 29,280, to get back above that point B, and then it's got a chance. Now, if we can't do that, then we're looking at a bigger correction. So there, what you'd look for then is you'd look for your 618 comes in next level off this swing, but then you'd look for your 382 off this one. That comes in right down here and coincides with your 786 off that one. So that would then be your next target if it breaks down, 29,050. So that's what you'd be looking at. All that'd do then is extend this ABCD swing down to 1.618. As you can see, 0.5 is 1.618 of this AB swing here. So measured from point C times 1.618 times AB, measured from C will come in down here as well. So that's an area, this is a little zone you'd be looking at if we're to break down from this level, and it's looking like already, as I've been on this video, it's already looks like it wants to do that. So that's what I'm seeing in the Dow. Let's just have a look at one or two of the others while we're here. We've got the FTSE. Here's the German DAX. If you have a quick look at that, this is testing the 382 off of this one, and it's testing the 61% off of that one. I don't know where it's trading right now. Let's have a look. Right this minute, where we're trading on the DAX. We're trading at 658, so it has held it at the moment, but it's looking quite weak right now, isn't it? The FTSE again, the FTSE is looking weak as well. It's looking like it wants to be heading lower here. So that's what I'm seeing anyway. So that's the DAX. The FTSE again is looking weak. It was trying to hold this 618. That was looking weak. I think that's broken down now. Let's have a quick look at it. Quick look at the FTSE. There we are. 73.53. Yeah, it has broken down, hasn't it? That's broken down as well. So that's now taken out the 618. So that brings in this ABCD into play. We did a 707 off of this high here. Did a 707. See it once, expect it again, like we did on crude oil. That's possible. So, but as I say on the Dow, it's the 280 is important to keep an eye on for if you're bullish, because the where are we at now? Excuse me. Yeah, keep your eye on that. Keep your eye on that. So if we fail here, it's looking like it's trying its best. If we fail here, you're looking at 29,050. And to be really, I won't be thinking of being a buyer till I see some strength above this 29,280. Okay, folks, that's what I'm seeing in a few equity markets. So you can see over here, the Hang Seng were down 411, and the Japanese 225, Nikkei 335. So we've seen weakness on there as well. So these markets are long overdue some sort of a pullback, folks. The long-term patterns have been telling us that for a few weeks, but sometimes you just got to be patient and wait for the opportunity to unfold. So that's what I'm seeing in equities this morning, folks. So take care, trade safely.